In front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on color palette icon at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by tapping on the chosen one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, tap on the same palette. Use this plus under my themes and click on any photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!